What is going on, guys? Today we are in Barnsley and it is completely dead. There's literally no one here. It's a bank holiday, so it's a public holiday. I think everyone's gone home. Look, absolutely no one here, pretty much. Everything's closed up. Maybe I should have come a bit earlier. Might have done this place a bit more justice, but I guess we're going to be going around Barnsley anyway, seeing what there is to see here. I guess we can still get a good kind of look at what Barnsley is like anyway. Actually, when there's no people, it could be pretty interesting as well. Looks like everyone's headed to the pub to finish off their evening. Yeah, bro. Right now it's like 5:30. Back around here. I've already recorded 2 videos today. I went to Bradford and Huddersfield. Bradford definitely wasn't my favourite place. Huddersfield was alright. The town centre was nothing special, but the residential area was alright. Look at that building straight up ahead of us, completely abandoned. People you can hear in the background are in the pub celebrating the Queen's Jubilee, 70 years. Any excuse to have a few pints. Alright, we're back around this way, but I'm gonna go left here. Whoa, a little bit sharp there.
They're not horrible, they're just...
Got a Poundland on the left. A lot of these English towns, especially the ones that are a little bit, let's say, a little bit derelict. Don't know if that's the right word. Let's just say not the best looking towns. They have a lot of Poundlands and charity shops. Which way should we go? Let's go this way. See, I've already filmed 2 videos. Usually the 3rd and 4th videos I have a little bit less energy, so I'm trying to keep things high energy for you guys, or as high energy as it can be. People dancing in the bar over there. Barnsley definitely is full of bars. It's probably what everyone does here in Barnsley. There's probably not that much to do. We want to turn around. We don't want to be going outside of Barnsley town centre. sound is so therapeutic. Let's go this way. Hey, you know what? Like so far, Barnsley. Oops, one-way street. I'm pretty sure. Let's go this way. Let's go left. Add this white there. Yeah, so far, like Barnsley, it's not too bad. Definitely not as bad as Bradford. I didn't really enjoy my time in Bradford. That was definitely one of the worst places I've been to. Seems like everyone's disappeared off to the pubs. Oh, getting frisky there. Should have gone straight, but I've ended up going this way around. It's not easy to cycle here. A lot of one-way roads, which means that sometimes I'm going around in circles trying to find the right exit. And we're back to this derelict building. Everyone's having pints on the left. Oh, here we go. Let's go left now. And there's Shakespeare. We want to go right here. I wonder what this is like during the day. Go this way. Such an eerie feeling at this time when you're in a city or a town and everything's dying down. Oh, we haven't been here. A little bit of a shopping centre in there. Hey, like actually Barnsley's not half bad. When I was looking online, Barnsley was ranked as one of the worst places to live in the UK, but I don't think it was that high up on the list. What makes me think that is that it's not actually half bad here. It's clean, there isn't that many derelict buildings. There's a good vibe here. People seem pretty friendly, especially after they've been in the pub. Oh, there's something really interesting I want to show you guys. Oh, this is cool. Wasn't expecting to find this. See, all the flags are up for tomorrow's Jubilee. For the Queen, 70 years. And where are we coming out at? Ah, that place we were just now. Okay. Is this a one-way? Yeah, I think this is. Yeah. See what I mean? There's like so many one-way roads. It's hard to figure out which direction you should be going in on a bike. Barnsley interchange must be the train station, no, bus station. Just there. Yeah, not that easy to ride a bike here. That's why I'm on the pavement. I know some people will get a little bit irritated by that, but if you watch all my videos, I definitely avoid going on the pavement. In some places, it's just the cycling infrastructure is not good enough to keep off the pavements. A lot of oh, where are we right now? Okay, we're coming towards the edge of the zone which I've created here on my phone. I think we'll go next to the residential area so you can see what the housing is like. Let me plug that into my phone. I've got it starred on Google Maps. It's called Lancaster Street, 5 minutes away. Okay, I have to turn around. What was I gonna say? Yeah, so like there's another argument that the cycling infrastructure here in the UK is just isn't very good. I mean, we've got very small roads. We haven't got much space to work with. And so I don't blame people if they are cycling sometimes on the pavements. In London, you won't find that. It's quite a big no-no there. But in many other cities around the UK, from my experience, it happens. People are cycling on the pavements because it's safer, because there's not very good bicycle lanes. Actually, not too long ago, I came to Barnsley. I took my girlfriend to her first football match, watching Derby County play Barnsley, and we lost. So I think that's the end of me taking my girlfriend to see football games here in the UK, because it was pretty terrible. She must have been wondering why I took it to Barnsley. And she's definitely going to be watching this video. We are 3 minutes from the area that I want to show you guys. Hopefully it's worth it. I drove past it and it looked pretty interesting. coming off here. No, we're not. We are going at this next one here. The vibe I have here in Barnsley, that it actually isn't too bad, like a place to live. It's a nice town. Like I don't understand why people would have included it in as one of the worst places to live. It seems pretty chill. I love these kind of houses here. Oh, look at this. This is so cool. I absolutely love these type of buildings and houses. Let's go left.
Yeah, it's no good in rain.
There's definitely worse places that I visited. So if you're from Barnsley, I think you would probably agree with what I'm saying. Not that bad at all here. I just love these type of houses. It's quite clean, like there's no litter or anything on the streets. And the sun is coming out. Beautiful. That was Lancaster Street. Definitely worth seeing. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, I'm going to put some other bike tours from around the UK onto your screen for you to check out. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.